Hello people, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at more factoring, but we're going to be looking at special forms of factoring them when they follow a very specific form. If you remember, these formulas can be done really quickly. The first is called difference of squares. The general formula is a squared minus b squared. I know it's really not surprising, but you're squaring two different things, you're subtracting. Subtraction means difference. It's a difference of squares. A squared minus b squared always factors into a plus b times a minus b. Real quick example of that would be something like x squared minus 9. You're squaring x to get to x squared, you're squaring 3 to get to 9, so this becomes x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now, if you don't remember this formula, you could always factor this by factor like a normal trinomial with the a value of 1, but the formulas make it go really quick. Perfect square trinomials has two formulas. They're pretty similar, but there is a little bit of a difference. The first is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And the second one is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. They factor into things that are very similar, but there's just one tiny little difference. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared factors into a plus b quantity squared. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared factors into a minus b squared. Again, pretty close, but just a little bit of difference. Quick example, x squared minus 6x plus 9. You're squaring x to get to x squared, you're squaring 3 to get to 9. Therefore, this factors into x minus 3 squared. We're going to take a look at some other problems, but it's really important to remember that this term right here, your b term, is equal to 2ab. In this case, it is your a value is x, your b value is 3. Some are different cubes. Some of you may have gone over this. Some of you, this may be new to you. These are, obviously, depending if it's sum or it's a difference, is going to affect the formula. The sum, the first one is a cubed plus b cubed, and that's going to equal a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. The difference of cubes is just a tiny little variation. It's a cubed minus b cubed. We'll factor into a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Very, very tiny difference, very small. Basically, you can always match these up. And then the middle term is always opposite of that. Quick example, x cubed minus 27. Obviously, you're cubing x to get x cubed, you're cubing 3 to get to 27. We'll factor into x minus 27 times x squared plus 3x plus 3. We're going to see in the next couple of videos, we're going to see how this applies to more difficult problems.